Question is though, are you ready for a show? Yeah! Woo, that's what we like to hear. Okay, just the right side. Are you guys ready for a show?
If you believe in magic, every year at a special time, you can visit the kingdom of Frothy. Invitations to the Royal Ball. Alas, the invitation was more than disappointing. The King's Royal Orb was missing. Until it was found, the Royal Ball was postponed. One resident of Prostoria was especially upset.
Things happen, but here I am, sitting on this wall, looking out for all. Friends, neighbors,
The enchanted Cinderella, who falls in love with a prince. Pinocchio, my dear Alice,
Cinderella,
and the White Rabbit, the bravest of all, Little Red Riding Hood, and the sweetest kids in Prostoria, Hansel and Gretel.
look, we're late for a very important date. Someone's gotta find that royal orb. What a surprise! From the tools of my trade, look what a wondrous boy I have made!
Hansel and Gretel, I'm back! Like chocolate pudding? They'll love mine!
Hansel and Gretel, they escaped the wicked witch, and now they hope to find the royal orb.
Smooching again, Cinderella and her prince. It's too romantic for this old egg. I'm taking a break.
Shouted, "Not us!" So the White Rabbit and Alice set out to explore.
Wonderland.
The King's Royal Orb! Okay, Humpty, what's the deal?
Sorry, my friends, no dance invitation, so I hid the orb. Apologies to our king, and please forgiveness to all. I can be hard-boiled, no yoke.
Special delivery! I guess it got lost in the mail.
Wolf? Extraordinary! At last, my invitation! Let the King's Royal Ball begin! As you heard, I'm an excellent dancer.
Let's get loud. Let's get loud.